Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tarunpreet and today I'm gonna be doing a video that is quite different from the videos I've done previously because firstly it's about my daughter, and no, it's not a daughter tag or anything. You must have guessed it from the title itself that it is her shoe collection video. Of course I love shoes, who doesn't love shoes, right? And so does my daughter, so I thought it would be quite nice if I show you all the shoes that she has currently. So let's get into the video. The first pair of shoes that she has are these pink H&M sneakers. I really love the color and they're very comfortable. They have this silver sort of detailing going at metallic silver detailing going at the back, and then they have this velcro thing which is again very comfortable if you have like toddlers. And yes, I really like them. These were priced at rupees 12.99 and they were available in white color as well, but because white gets dirty quite soon, so I thought baby pink would be a nice option. So yes, these ones. The next pair of shoes that I'm going to be talking about are these sneakers again. They're from Zara, and you can see how obsessed I am with this velcro thing because it's very comfortable. My daughter hates wearing shoes, so yes, this is a savior for me. So these are again like very off-white sort of colored shoes with this splash paint sort of pattern going on, and these were priced at rupees 2200, and again they're very comfortable. It's been almost a year since I'm using them and they are easily washable as well, so I really like them. Next pair I'm going to be talking to you about are these pretty ballerinas or like slip-ons. I don't know what to call them. These were brought by Rahul's cousin who went to Bangkok recently, and they have this little owl face here and they're purple in color. She didn't have anything purple, and again I love them because they have velcro on them and very comfortable and very pretty, and they're great for monsoons because they're made of this rubber sort of fabric. So yes, and also they have this little opening so that air keeps flowing through the shoes and child doesn't get any infection or anything during these monsoons. So I really like them. The next pair is a pair of sandals or slip-ons as you call them. I got these ones from H&M again. I am a big H&M fan. Firstly because the quality of the products is amazing. And secondly they're very reasonably priced. I mean, they're not that cheap but quite reasonable as compared to other brands. So these are the ones. I'm sure you must have seen them in my mini haul video as well. If you haven't, you can check out for the link somewhere here, and you can so these ones, I'm not sure if you can see them, but yeah, these are like white. They have this textured fabric going on them. They have this cute little bow here, and I love the jute detailing going on here. These ones were priced at rupees 7.99, and you might be wondering, I have more sneakers, and be wondering that I have a lot of sneakers and closed shoes than the open ones. That's because my daughter's feet are like really tiny and really thin, so she gets very uncomfortable wearing shoes like these, but I just couldn't resist buying this one. And also she didn't have anything white, so I think this is a great pair, and I really like it. Oh yes, again it has velcro. Next pair I'm going to talk to you about is this one. These are pretty little ballerinas I got from Zara. They were originally priced at rupees 2200. I got it during the sale for rupees 790, and they are this grey color ballerinas, and they have this little glitter star going on here, and they have these straps, elasticated straps to keep the feet in place, which is again great for my daughter because she has like really thin feet. And I really like how they are made. They're very simple and the color is universal, which would go again with a lot of clothes. I don't need to find color specific clothes to match her shoes when it comes to this one. So I really like this one. The next pair of shoes that she has are again these slip-ons, and they have the similar jute details as the white ones. I got this one and that one together. These were again priced at $7.99, and it has this floral pattern going on here, if you can see. Yes, now you can. And again velcro, I love velcro, and they have this pretty bow detailing going on, which I really like. And the bottom sole is very soft, it's not very hard, and it's quite comfortable. My daughter wears it very easily, and I really like these. And they're open from the back, and this is how they look. And yes, I got these two of First Cry, and they were priced at rupees $2.99 each, if I'm not wrong. And this one has this cow detailing going on, if you can see, and this one has a little monkey detailing going on the straps. Again, they are velcro, and they're very comfortable, and a great deal at a price of rupees $2.99. She's been wearing them for over 6 months, and they're very comfortable and very nice. Okay, the last two pairs, out of them, one of these is a pair of, again, slippers, sneak-ons, whatever, and these are again from H&M. I really like the casual you know, print, simple print that they have going on here. And then they have this elasticated thing here, which makes it very easy for you to put on your child's feet in it. You can, you know, pull it from here and back and forth, and they're very simple, pretty much that's it. And these were priced at rupees $7.99. And most of the kids' shoes that I've personally noticed at H&M are priced at rupees $7.99 for some odd reason. But it's not odd because they're quite affordable, and I really like them because, again, I make her wear these all the time and she loves these too. So we're down to the last pair. The last pair had to be my favorites. So these are boots, ankle boots from H&M. And I love them, firstly because of the print, and secondly I got these during winter time, and they have this let me just show you. They have this fur lining all throughout the shoes, and the fur lining is very soft, and it literally keeps the feet very warm. And they are again a great pair because the sole provides a proper easy grip, and they do not slip again. And I really like these. These were priced at rupees $12.99, I remember. And yes, that's it. So these were the shoes, although they are not the complete collection, but these are the shoes that my daughter mostly wears. The others are just casual sneakers and, you know, sandals that she wears at home, which was supposed to be a part of this video. So I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you do. Till the next time, bye.